Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to Healthy Hair 101, the heart of holistic health, fitness, and vibrant hair journeys on all things related to the health of your hair. I'm Sarah, your friendly guide on this journey to a healthier and happier you. Today, we're diving deep into the importance of scalp massage and how it can boost circulation for hair growth. We'll also touch on some other key aspects that contribute to the overall health of your hair. So, let's get started. Scalp massage, my friends, is not just a luxury spa treatment. It's a powerful tool in promoting hair growth. By increasing blood flow to your hair follicles, it stimulates growth and strengthens your hair from the roots. Remember, what you put into your body is just as important as what you put on your hair. A balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals can significantly improve your hair health. Hydration is key. Drinking plenty of water helps to keep your hair hydrated from the inside out, promoting shine and preventing breakage. Regular exercise increases blood flow throughout your body, including your scalp, promoting healthier hair growth. Stress can wreak havoc on your hair, causing it to become brittle and even fall out. Incorporating stress management techniques like meditation or yoga can help keep your hair healthy. The products you use on your hair can make a huge difference. Opt for natural, organic products that nourish your hair without the harsh chemicals. DIY hair masks are a great way to give your hair a boost of nutrients. Ingredients like avocado, honey, and coconut oil can work wonders on your hair. Never underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. It's during sleep that your body repairs and regenerates, including your hair. If our daily videos are becoming your go-to for all things health and hair, show some love by hitting like and subscribe to always stay updated. In closing, remember that your hair is a reflection of your overall health. By incorporating scalp massages, maintaining a balanced diet, staying hydrated, exercising regularly, managing stress, choosing the right hair products, using DIY hair masks, and getting enough sleep, you can boost your hair health and promote growth. So give your hair the love it deserves, and it will surely love you back. Until next time, keep shining and stay beautiful.